Hallo? 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 Oh. How you guys doing? Good morning. Stop. Hello, Golden Apples on YouTube. Hello, chat. Hello, Stream Elements. Good morning. Hello, guys. What? Hello, Capuchman. Good morning. I did that too.
Don't be afraid of poor marketing and you'll be stronger.
Did that.
Good game will sell nonetheless.
I need
the
that.
money will come to you.
Let's see. Let's see. There you go. That's gone. Did that. Not sure anymore. Awesome. How you guys doing? Good morning. Did you miss me? I have returned, chat. Good morning. Hello. Greetings from Philippines. Good evening. Good evening, Only Sushi. How you doing, man? Hello, Start. Hello, Eritas. Hello, Firefly. Hello, Crusader. Hello, Psycho. Hello, AQ. Hello, Overlord. Hello, Super John. Good morning, chat. Hello. Hello. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Yeah, unfortunately, still old, same old, same old. We are not in a new flat yet. I don't have internet. I can't stream there. But apparently I upgraded my internet. Let's see, speed test. Oh, I'm doxed. Run speed test. Oh yeah. They tripled my internet because I had an old contract. Oh damn, that's 28 and I'm uploading 3 streams to Twitch, YouTube and Kick on 8K each. So that's gotta be 50. And I have 28 left over. GG, I'm doxed. Not bad. Very nice. Oh, no, that again. Now it gets sunny the moment I turn on the stream. Don't go sunny. Hello, super cool. How you doing, bro? We miss your videos on YouTube, man. Working on that, my brother. Expect videos soon, okay? Working on that. There will be new videos. Just a little bit longer. Oh, that is so delicious. Mmm. Guys, I have some positive news. I started working on the Anubis patch again. Did not get too much done yet, but we can now do this right here. I plan on extending the world size. It'll be a bigger map. Not for all missions. Like it will not change the existing missions, but there will be a new type of mission that you'll be able to play. Though I'm still working on the technical aspects around it, and I'm probably going to convert all the levels to the new level structure, and then these game backgrounds here, that will be gone. We won't need that anymore. I expect this to take at least 2 weeks until I can finally show something. Twitch stream does not work? No, it should work, bro. Chat, does Twitch work? Is Twitch working? I have a goal to 520 subs. Okay. Oh, thank you, Null Exception. I appreciate that. No, it should be fine. We should be good. We all good? Yeah, nice. Let me pin the message on YouTube. Yeah, today we're going to be obviously working on the new game on stream, and I want to code in chopping down trees. Let me see, where's that? I'm gonna chop down trees in this little game that we started making. I want to be able to... We can already hover over them, which is nice. Now we need to make it so that when we click, they... Well, about sound, I don't know if I can do sounds immediately yet, but definitely I want them to... When I click on them, I want them to rotate. Like they're being hit, and maybe spawn particles. But spawn particles will most likely be something we do later. That's what I want to do today. I think we can do this really fast. Should not take too long. But yeah, let me pin the message first. Any tips on pixel art I'm trying to learn? Check out this website right here. Don't we have exclamation mark pixel art? I think we have exclamation mark pixel art, bro. Let's see. Yeah, check out that webpage. There's a bunch of really good tutorials. That's how I got better. Have you seen the new Humble Bundle Ovani pack? It has Harvesting Sound Pack, which should be good for a new game. Do you have a link? I mean, 90% of those sounds usually are not... let's see, Ovani, Humble Bundle. Ovani sound. This one here. There's gotta be one for €1, right? Bro, they're expensive. What? Humble Bundle? Let me see. Is there actually... Is there Diablo 4 Lilith? Brave Diablo 4. Shin Tensei Vengeance of Choice. So that's just an ad? Is that an ad? Get great games every month with the humble choice. That's not a... I mean, it's okay, I guess. Let's see. So you can get it for €5. What do you get? Harvesting Sound Effects Pack. Bruh. Elements Wood. I'm telling you, I already have that 100%. And then I get these music packs that I don't need. What else? What is 10? Cozy Casual Sound Effects Pack. Okay. That doesn't sound too bad. Vehicles flying. Fire sound effects. Text and cards. Creatures. Ice sound effect. Music longer. Music. Diablo 4 Humble Choice, yeah. I got it from Humble Bundle Choice. Yo, how you doing, Ginger Death? Hope you're doing good. Hello, Pikachu. How you doing, man? Good morning. 1,400 euros, nice. Yeah. Some of those packs, bro. And I listen. Okay, I mean, maybe the high quality sound effects pack are good, right? You get the entire bundle for 20 euros. Anime music pack, ambient music pack, dark ambient, building tycoon, metal music, cyberpunk, sound effects, fantasy UI, physical creature, okay. There is gothic fantasy sound. I feel like I have this. Hello there, Jao Miguel. How you doing, bro? Where's chat, Cakes? What do you mean? Oh, I see. I turned off chat. Yeah. No, Botrix chat is still there. I turned it off because I was doing a recording and Kofi freaking spammed my chat while I was doing a recording. I got so mad.
Hello, Cakez.
Maybe should we check it out, chat, for $5? Wood sound effects and harvesting sound effects. $10. Casual sound effects, maybe that could be useful. Ice sound effects could be nice. Is there a preview? I don't think there is. Let's see. Can you listen to a preview? No? No, not? Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. For a sec. Shut up. Too fast. Too fast. Too fast. Stop! I kind of need to watch it on YouTube. Let's see. And it not so loud, please. I'm still waiting for the chop wood. I'm still waiting for the axe on wood. The doom, doom. Where is the doom, doom? Have you guys heard a doom, doom? Cause I want the doom, doom. There's literally an axe on the picture and a log. And the only thing you have to do is take the axe, put it in your hand and smash down on the log and it makes doom. Where is the doom sound? I'm waiting. Surely it's gonna come in the next 40 seconds, right? What is always with the town, town? It's like he's hitting metal. I do not see any metal when it comes to wood. It is wood. Why do I hear metal? Ting. What is the ting sound in there? What is this doing? It is not hitting wood. What are you hitting? Ding, ding. Is this a sword fight? Guys, I'm literally booting up Stardew Valley to tell you there's got to be a troll. 100%. Watch. I'll show you what I'm looking for that I didn't get. Listen closely, okay? I'm going to max out the sound effects so you guys can clearly see what I mean. Harvesting sound effects. There's an axe on the picture and a log. Harvesting includes cutting down wood. Listen, where is it? There you go. The other account is my wife. She had a full inventory. I didn't sleep once, I think. Watch. I'm only going to isolate the sound. So this is what I was looking for. Close your eyes and listen. This is what I was hoping for. I missed! Bro. Stop hitting the top! Where is that sound? Huh? Where is the bonk sound? I can't buy this. Because I will be disappointed. It's not about the $5. That's fine. If I buy this, I will be disappointed. That's the problem. Because I'm expecting to hear an axe hitting a piece of wood, and I didn't hear that at all. The axe on the tree is awful. No, it's good. Pretty mid sound. Oh, so you could make a better sound. See, I don't want the Stardew Valley sound, but there was not a single sound that sounded like an axe hitting a tree. If you want to tell me that there was a single axe hitting a piece of wood, then you're lying. Or you need to get new ears. That's my biggest problem with these packs. It's in the wood pack. Oh, so sound effects wood. Okay. One more try. If we get a good wood sound effect, maybe. Okay. There was a creaky door. Uh-huh. I don't know, chat. I don't know, chat. Yeah, there will be more. I literally just talked about what I was doing lately. I'm currently working on expanding the map and basically working on extending the tile editor so that everything works. Takes a bit of time because I did not code it very well when I did. And so there's a bunch of stuff that I have to fix. Yeah, none of these are good for trees cutting. I was listening for a sound for tree cutting and I didn't find one. Yeah, well, let's see. Nah, I think I need a different type of wood, but I think knocking on wood yourself is a better way. How does tree cutting sound? It depends. I actually think I had a good... Wait, let me check. Did I not have a good sound for that? Do you like Minecraft sound on wood? Yeah, I guess. Maybe not as deep, but something like that. Which game was it, guys? The Unity game, right? Uh-oh. Guys, I'm leaking myself. Oh no. Yes, I need to be careful, bro. You know, I should just not stream until I set up everything. And then I put every single piece of document into their own folders. Make sure that I don't leak anything. Where was the Unity game? Did we call it Miglon Clone? Wait, it's on the web. itch.io. It's on the web chat. I can't get I can't get internet here for a week exactly. Because they need to drive their... Let's see. So this is a good sound effect. Nah. Not really. It's missing the impact sound, I suppose. I need an impact, yeah. But good thing is we don't really have sound effects yet in this game. We don't have sound implemented yet. That's too leafy? Yeah, I know. It's a bit... It's right there. Bro, I can't just take Minecraft sound effect. That's too... See, that is too... This sound effect is too bright because it's you can clearly tell that it's cutting a small piece of wood. When you hit a thick piece of wood, a Baumstamm in English, yeah, then it's much deeper. Back up. Okay, back up. Oh my god. Nah, it's too bright still. The problem with the sound effect is that there's an echo. It needs to be isolated. Yeah, they make a low frequency noise, yeah. Nah. Anyways, it's fine, guys. I'll find a good solution, okay? I can even go outside and record some myself. We'll find stuff. It's fine. I'll document the process so you guys can do it yourself in the future too, okay? But right now, let's just work on chopping trees. Though before we do that, like always, guys, I want to take a look at your games, okay? I'm gonna catch up. Ash Ketchum. I think we were on June or something in 2025. We definitely passed the 1 year mark. Let me see. Man, some really good games here, bro. Oh wait, I think we were here. We played this, right? Then I said we're gonna take a look at the game later. There are some stats. We played this game too, the Square Man Boy. This one was gone, I think. Card Conquest is gone, right? It is not gone. Ooh, it's a tower defense game. You guys, I gotta play this. We gotta play this. Okay, anyways, awesome. All right. So, guess that's where we start, huh? What is this? Is this August? We're already in August. So we're catching up. Yeah, I mean, if I play like, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes on each game at most, we should be able to go and do good stuff. I don't need AI sound effects because usually they sound bad too. Oh, this guy is saying wasting time again, lol. Comes in here first time chatter. So this guy is a big a-hole because he doesn't care about you guys. He just wants to be entertained by his metric and his metric alone. First time chatter? Yeah, that's your first message today after the hello. How about I give you a 5-minute break and you think about what you just said, okay? Because this is about you guys and looking at your guys' games and maybe, you know, helping you guys out. Ha! Ha!
Hello, Mr. Cakez. Bathroom count, please.
No. Okay, so what I'm gonna look at is this guy's game. You guys have been posting very well over the last year, 2025.
Hello.
Thank you very much for your for your contributions. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I actually took a look at this. This is his game on itch.io. It looks really well made. Is there even a Steam page? Oh, there is a Steam page. And it's going to come out this year. So we might even be able to help him a bit. Wait, there's a demo on Steam even. Card Conquest. Wait a minute. Here, you guys. Check out this game. We're gonna play it now. This is the link. Damn. It's a tower defense game. I love tower defense. Yeah, let's play the game. Let's see. Oh, he has 7 user reviews on a demo page. That's not too bad, actually. Wow, he had a 12th player all-time peak, which, you know, listen. I was there myself. I don't know if he already partook in Steam Next Fest. I can't tell. But clearly this guy... let me tell you like this. I know what it's like to have at most 10 or, you know, 8 players. That's still not too bad, for sure. So let's check out the game. Let me go and download it on Steam. Let's see, install demo. Yes. He's also doing this without stream, so not inflated. Yeah, it's not inflated at all. 300 megabytes. What is the game made in? I always like checking that. Is it Unity? Oh, it's Unity Engine. Okay. While we wait for downloading, my wife has to interrupt. Let's see. Wife expecting me to, you know, überweisen den englische Betrag while on stream. Yeah, sure. Let me do that on stream. And then all of a sudden I leak my entire credit card and everything. Bank account is, yeah. Hell no. So that's gonna be happening after stream. I actually saw the trailer a little bit. That looks good, bro. That looks nice. Lovely. You know what this reminds me of, chat? Rogue Tower. Looks like Rogue Tower. Really nice. So this is where the enemies come from. Okay. Yeah, let's just play. Let's just play. Awesome. It downloaded. We can play already. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, because I have the new internet and I was actually downloading at 95 megabytes per second. Yeah. I have good internet, guys. Yeah. Do you have as fast internet as me? No. That's low? No, it's not low. What you're talking about? That's good. Awesome. Card Conquest, the tower defense game of your choice. We're going to be playing in English. Look at that. Really cool sound. Sorry, not sound. Localization. Wishlist. Discord. Nice. Options. 30 frames per second. Let's move that down a tiny bit. Damn, that looks clean, bro. Wait a minute. I have seen this before. Oh no. Oh no. Guys. Where is it? No, where is it? Wait, was it under Tangy TD? Press kit? Bro, that looks awfully similar. Bro, it literally looks the same. That's the same thing. Now, listen, it's different, yeah, but it's the same style. It has to be drawn by the same person. It's gotta be the same artist. What do you guys think? Guys, it's not about that the lines are different. I don't care if this stick is in this. I don't care. I think it's the same artist. That's what I mean. And I hope this guy didn't have as much issues as I had with the guy. The world is small? Yeah, it is. Indeed. Let's play. What the hell is that, bro? Why do I get a giant menu? What the hell? What am I doing? Bro, you can't give me the encyclopedia. What? Huh? Wait, that's my loadout? Bro. Oh my god. Topaz restores topazes. What's a topaz? Shuffle. Remove all non-spell cards. Cards. Draw the same amount of new cards. Draw 4 cards. This is like my first demo, yeah, like a loadout menu. I think... Wait. Who of you played Slay the Spire? Chat, how many of you played Slay the Spire? Banner. Tower, Haste, Aura. Footman. Armor, Health, Speed. I like the pop-ups here. Looks clean. Hearthstone. No, Slay the Spire. Do you get overwhelmed with that many options right as you start? Or do you start with like a very limited amount of cards? Okay, I mean, that's a lot to take in first, but okay, let's just start. All right, so we have no money. Things never change. Okay, can I move the map somehow? Can I just zoom in and out? Wait, can I not zoom in? Can I not zoom in? Enter. Orc, Shaman. Orc. Orc, Shaman, Orc, Orc, Shaman, Orc. Enter. What does that mean? Oh my god. Okay, now it's a bit easier. Controls. To move the camera, use the arrow keys. To zoom in and out, use the scroll wheel. Ruby, your health. That's a nice looking Ruby, by the way, bro. Where is the music? Hello? Hello? Sapphire, used to cast spells, restores every encounter. Topaz, used to... That's a nice spin on that. Prepare your defense build towers by drawing cards to the middle of the screen. To the middle of the screen, okay. Okay, high ground increases the tower's range. Aura range is marked with green border. Aura range? Auras improve tower stats. Auras do not stack. Yellow borders are objectives. Place 3 towers in range of an objective to activate it. Got it. Where's the music? Did the music stop? Sorry. No music. How do I zoom again? WASD. Okay. Man, that's slow. But I guess it gotta be slow. So that's what I'm facing. An orc. Wait, it zooms out when I click on it? Interesting. That's a base. Okay. Cool. What does that mean? Tent. Health armor upgrade. Is that my tent? So the enemies come to me and I approach the enemies. That's an orc tower. Aha! Wow, that's interesting concept. So I'm attacking and they're attacking me at the same time. So a footman and a priest, they are going to attack the base. And I need to... I can toss it away. Aha. Oh, I see. Cool. Damn, that's cool. Okay, since I'm a tower defense nerd, I know exactly where to place a tower to get the utmost damage possible. And that is right here. That is perfect. Okay, it's gotta be here. Tower upgrade. You can see the stats and upgrade your towers by selecting them. Spend all your topazes and use controls in the upper right corner to begin the round. Oh, I see. Spacebar. No, spacebar does not start. So I have a level 1 tower. I can get... The tower costs 1. So I get 20 more damage. I attack a little faster and I get 2 more range. Do I? No, the range stays the same. Targeting closest. Okay. Now we're gonna make a new tower. Alright, let's see. We're going to... Where's the music, by the way? Oh, wait. Isn't there an objective here somehow? So I gotta place towers right next to this... What is this, by the way? I can't see. But that looks cool. Okay. Gonna put another tower right next to it. Oh, that one has low range. That's not good. Guess I'll put it here. So I need one. I think the placing is a little... Okay, wait. I'm gonna place one more. To give these guys aura. Bro, I can't really tell where I'm placing. It's really difficult to place stuff. Wife is calling again! Okay, I'm back. Goodness. Can I play now? Please? Let me upgrade a tower. So, haste aura 25. So that's attack speed. That's good. See, that's OP. Oh, I'm winning already. You can discard cards that you don't need in the next round by dragging them on the right side panel. But why would I do that? I don't have that many. Play. Okay. Easy, chat. Easy. We're gonna win this so easily. I have buffed these towers to the maximum. Oh, yeah. No, I want to see the fight. Oh, hell yeah. Not even close. How much do I get? Ooh, I get new cards. Oh, I see. I get a maximum. Recruit units by dragging unit cards to the middle of the screen. Units respawn each round. Units. Upgrade units by selecting your base. Okay. Yeah, let's do units. I want knights. 1 knight, 2 knights. Then I put a priest. And then after that, 2 footmen. I'm out of money. Okay. And then restores topazes. No way. That's OP. And another banner. I don't think they stack, so I guess I'll discard this. Oh, draw 4 cards. I don't have the money. No. Oh, I can upgrade. Oh, hell yeah, 4. Anything else I can upgrade? I think we're good. I feel like the only thing that's missing on this game to create a good vibe is music. It's too cheerful. Too cheerful. Let's speed it up. Ah, you got no chance. Ah, they deal no damage to me. And I'm healing. Oh my god, I'm winning. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I won. It's already over. They can't win. By the way, did I not get Power Crystal Rage? Ah. I see. Cool. Put one here. Put another one here. Oh my god, that's so OP. Oh, hell yeah. And where is the other? Oh, I tossed that away. I'm stupid. How do I get these blue ones? Used to cast spells. Restores after defeating an enemy. I don't have any. Bruh. I can just spawn more footmen. Yeah, I won. How do I get money? Like, what do I use money for? How fast can I make this? That's pretty fast. Okay, so we did win this round. Very nice. Wait! Hey! I won. Oh. Oh, it's a roguelike. Increases arrow tower range. Oh, that's cool. Rust-coated sword. Towers pierce 10 armor. Increases movement speed by non-flying units. But we take that. Wait. What happens now? Oh, I see. Oh, I understand now. So essentially, this is the world's map. I chose to go here. And these are the other lanes that I could have gone through. Interesting. Cool. I wish I had more time. I kind of want to play. I guess we'll play one more. We'll play one more time. Now we know what to do. All right, we got 1 mana. So I guess I'll draw 4 cards soon. Do I? Okay, so I still do not understand the objectives here. Wait. I'm pretty sure. Place at least 2 towers. Yeah. We'll place. Yeah, that's a good. That's actually not a good spot for this tower. I guess I have to put it here. And then we'll put a banner right here. Yeah, okay, yeah, but I did. Place at least 2 towers in range to open after the battle. Ah, okay. Fine. Oh, look, there's our sword, guys. Very cool. Let's get a footman and a priest. 2 footmans. Now we have 1 more. I think I'm gonna draw 4 cards. I'm going to upgrade these guys. I'm going to restore all topazes. Use it. Oh no, I'm so dumb. No, I'm stupid. Oh no, I used the mana. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Let's begin. There you go. Philip Alexander, by the way, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate it. Oh my god, I'm losing my dudes. Wait, I'm losing! No! Stop! What can I do? Oh god. How much health? I have 5 health left. I thought I need to... Oh, god damn it. Wait, I can upgrade the... Maybe I should upgrade them. I need more towers. God damn it. I need to put them here. But these are bad spots, bro. I got 1 tower. Wait. I only get 1 mana every time. I'm so dumb. Oh no. I need to upgrade these towers. Yes. Okay, let's hope this is enough. Because I don't have more money. I literally can't use anything. What is the gold for? Wait. Spent installs to... Oh god, I don't have any stalls. Oh no. I'm gonna lose. Yeah, we lost. Okay, we only lost 1. And they lost 2. That's good. So even if we lose more... Yeah, oh my god. Oh my god, I should have tossed away the other cards. I should have tossed away the other cards. No. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Oh, there's already maximum. I lost. The only way to win... We need to upgrade this guy. Oh, yes. Oh, I can't see. See, that's a bit bad. Because I would like to see the range. But I can't see the range. Because the stupid UI is on top. And so I can't tell if this guy is affected or not. It does not look like it's affected. Oh yeah, it's gotta be so close. I think it's missing 1 tile. Damn. But okay, so these guys get 40% attack speed, that's fine. And then we spend the rest of the money. We get a knight. And I need to... So we'll get a footman. Alright. Oh god, I'm losing real hard. Wait, it did nothing! I lost! Oh, I almost won. Fuck. Oh no. Defeat wishlist. Good button, brother. Good button. Yeah, let's click the wishlist button. Hey, that's awesome, bro. That's a good game. I like it. No, that's not bad. That's nice. Here you go, guys. If you guys want to check it out, check defeat. Yeah, we lost. We lost. Here you go. I don't have time to play this all day, but that's not bad. Like, a really nice idea with the cards, and that's a cool spin on the genre. Very good stuff. I wonder what type of marketing he did other than posting my Discord and getting ignored for about a year. Bro, I hope you did more marketing than that. I wish you good luck though, man. Really nice game. Let me answer him, because it turns out the people that wrote last year, they actually saw the message from me, and it looks like it helped them out. So hey, man. Really nice. Wish you good luck. Yo, my man, Shreddon, thank you very much for subscribing. I appreciate it. Thanks for streaming, Cakez. Thanks for subscribing, bro. Awesome. Yester Soul demo. Okay, I guess we can play Yester Soul now. Let me see. When is Yester Soul getting close to release? Yester Soul. Let me check. Okay, I think we should play the demo close to release of the game. I think that's better for him. Right? He does have a decent amount of followers, so I think we should do that. I want to play the game, but I feel like I want to give it the best chance possible. So I think it would be better if we play the game close to release. If you guys want to check out his game, it's inspired by something like Hollow Knight and stuff. He's been making a game in his free time. Check it out if you want to. Okay, let's just move on. Gamedev. I think we already played his game. Did we? Video's not available anymore. Okay, let's move on. Gravity Storm. Yeah, we did play Gravity Storm. And I think we also checked out this game already, did we? Last time. Planetarium. Yeah, Jova was talking about alpha gameplay. He has updated the game, so I don't really want to talk about it too much. We'll get to it when we get to the later posts. Let's see, what is this? The Fires of Thousand Suns training some game on the Searing Exarch ball face. GitHub release, Thousand Suns. What is this? Oh, is this some sort of community game for... Yeah. This train mode right here, right? This game. That was really cool. Yeah. I've seen people play this a lot. Bro, you don't get hit by half. I guess you do. You do get hit by half. I don't know if I should play it though. PoE? Yeah, that's Path of Exile. This guy made a game about dodging the balls. It's right here. What is this? Get away. Anyways, let's move on. Yeah, we already played this game. We played Gravity Storm as well. Oh my god, what is this? I recently released the first public version of the game. This is from OSC. I've been solo developing for a while now. I've been looking for playtesters. It's a roguelike deck builder with city building elements, mostly inspired by Party House, Slay the Spire and Nine Kings. Would be very grateful if people tried it and gave it feedback. Let's see. Maybe... Oh, a password? It's required? It is. So he might have made this private now. So I guess I'll respond to him. Hey, did you make this private? Needs a password now. Let's see. Maybe he's going to answer. And then we can play. Finally got around making a Steam page for my pachinko game. Let's see. Oh, I see. The pachinko. Wait, did we see this or was it a different game? Uh-oh, that's gonna make... Oh god. This is gambling addiction. This is made in Godot, right? Why did this ball move up? Did you guys see that? Look at this ball right here. This ball is moving up. It has inverted gravity. For some reason. What the hell? Okay. I mean, let's check it out. Is there a demo version? Join the playtest and it's supposed to release this year. So that means he didn't do a demo yet. Which means he can still join June Next Fest. Hey Cakez, hello there Sam, how you doing bro? And Shredden, my man, thank you very much for subscribing. I think access granted. What now? Play now? Yes, Steam is installed. Bro, guys, the entire house is vibrating. I've been sitting here and the entire house is vibrating because there's big machinery rolling through the streets right here, fixing up the streets because everyone is getting their glass faser internet. It's crazy. Free massage. Bro, I'm scared the house is gonna die down. By the way, I think the peak here is because I put it into the settings. Better than wife interrupting? I'll just wait. She's gonna call one more time, bro. That's what you did with the money? Yeah, sure. Like, let me give internet to people I don't know. Okay, brother. All right, let's see. Let's look at the playtest. Let's see, bro. Godot engine. The game's made in Godot. This one has music. Nice. Do not eat the balls. Why would I eat the balls? Nice. Join the Discord. They really have a thing for fonts. Godot. Oh, hell yeah. That's cool. Options. Let's see. I feel like the music could be a bit louder. Close. Restart. Run. Huh? Restart. Run? Uh-oh. The menu is broken. Okay, escape fixed it. Alright, new game. Let's see. Starting hand. Okay. Billiard ball spawns a random billiard ball, scores $1. Random chance to break on scoring and gives a random rare item. A super gacha? Oh, okay. Standard ball plus $1 when landing in a bucket. Scores $1. Common. Uncommon. Let's play. Drop. Oh, so I click a ball. Wait, I can decide where to put it. Oh, hell yeah. Give me the money. I got $7. I got $7, guys. Wait. I want to put it... Wait, but it's chance, right? So if I put it here... Wait, I want to go to the edges, not in the middle. Right. Let's see. I wanna... What if I put it here? I mean, 7. Hey, 7. I take 7. Score at least 20. Oh, we got 29. Very nice. Let's try to get the 10 here. This gotta be scripted, bro. Skip 15. What? Why? Nani? A beehive pack. 30% chance to spawn a honey ball or a bee ball. On what? On hit? When hit, drop spikes that damage and trigger packs. Packs? What are packs? Pick ball or skip. Mine pack. Chance to randomly spawn a diamond, gold, iron ball each time it spawns a pack. It loses HP. What? Did I just do? Shop. Oh, I can spend my money. If ball is heads, 0.5x. If it's tails, it scores 3x. On what? Standard ball. When hit by a ball, a chance to temporarily destroy the ball and adds a shop value to the stored value. What? Oh, so basically the I see, and then 10% chance of permanently breaking and giving stored value. Okay. Bisco card. All items in the shop are cheaper. Wait, we gotta farm that. Let's get $1. Wait, I can only purchase one? Aha. Reroll shop. Nah, next round. Wait. Where I just spend money. Let's drop all balls. What happens? I got $11? Nani? We gotta make the shop cheaper. We have to. Gives 2 damage to pegs. What is a peg? I've not seen a peg one time. Higher chance to activate mine peg. What is a peg? The thing they bounce on? Oh, it gives 2 damage to... They deal damage? What? Boss. Prevention kit. Stops the next boss effect. I'm gonna get this. Chat is gonna be cheaper now. Why is it not cheaper? This was $4 before. It is minus 15%. So if I make a calculator and I do 4 times 0.85, it should be $3.50. You need to equip it? Wait. Huh? 4 out of 4. No! The billiard ball is better, I think. Aha! Random packs. I only have 4 out of 4. How do I increase that? If the ball is heads, scores. Tails, it scores 6 times. Gold coin ball. I feel like we should buy that. Put this thing here and put this one in there. There you go. Let's play again. Next round. That's it. Guys, it's an incremental game, isn't it? Drop all balls. 10, 50.75. Minus $12? Game over? How? How did I get minus 12? Huh? I got 4 normal balls. I lost. It's over, chat. Never mind, we won. Somehow we won. The score at least is a requirement. Each round, it's dropped. Gain plus $10 in score value. When hit, a random chance to add plus multi to a random pack. Get the fuck out of with these packs. I don't even know what the packs do! Gains plus $2 when hit by a hit by... No, we take this. Best. That is the best thing. Bro, you can't be serious. How do I increase... Slot machine on hit chance to spawn? Oh my god, this pack thing is gonna make me so mad. Multiplier to ball when hit. Choice. How do I increase my... What did I just do? What? How can I increase my whatever that's called, my capacity? Next round, I guess. Next round, that is. Drop balls. Give me the 10. Oh, yes. I'm not skipping this. Wait, plus $15. I have $43. Close the ball, triggers 1 per round. How do I increase the capacity? I can't do anything without the capacity. Gives $30, minus $1 for each packet. That seems interesting. Okay. Yo, Letakio, my man, thank you very much for subscribing. Let me unpause notifications.
Am I so out of touch?
Thank you.
No.
Philip Alexander just subscribed. Look at me donating to a millionaire.
Thank you. Yeah, I appreciate the money. Thank you. What, bro? Let's see.
Fuck Cakez.
10.
Am I so out of touch?
1911.
No.
Oh my god.
Shreddern just subscribed. Thanks for streaming, Cakez.
I have arrived.
Wait. I need to score.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Letaccio just subscribed. Sorry I have been a little Mia, but I love you. Sorry, that DMCA app. And you look prettier than ever. Are you wearing makeup?
Ah, shut up. Thank you for this. Thank you for okay. I should ban you. All items in the shop are cheaper. If I skip this, I get $15. I needed to score 50 and they took away 50 from me. Scores plus $8 times the previous amount of balls that have been fired this round. That sounds interesting. So we'll take this guy away, put this one here. And we're not gonna put anything. Because we don't have money. Let's see. We need to score $80? Bruh. Nice. Okay, we have $36. Each round it's dropped, gain plus 100 in score value. Is that good? Nice, got the $2. $36. Oh my god. We're winning. I'm gonna go here. Oh my, $26. Watch this, guys. This is it. $2. Oh my god, 35. I'm getting rich, bro. What is this? Devil ball. Oh my god, it scores between 0 and 6666. If it scores over 600, destroy a ball immediately. I have to take that. I have to. That's too good. Oh, hell yeah. Look, take away the standard ball. Give me that. When hit, chance to spawn an axe ball or pickaxe ball at the end of every round. Kenton. Destroyed after 30 hits. Huh. 20% chance to transform normal pack into random money pack. Choice between 3 common relics. Huh. That's good. I feel like I want to get this guy. And then we put him here. We put the $1 here. Because usually they bounce together. I still only have 4 balls. So I kind of need to make sure I put them out in the wrong order, in the right order. So here. Why did this one not spawn a ball? When hit, chance. Oh, there's a chance. Great. It spawned a ball. Nice. We have to. Okay, guys, how much you think? Between 0 and 666. How much we get in chat? How much? Do we get over 300? I say over 300. Oh my, $200, bro. We rich. And then this one, 39. Ah, that's fine. That's fine. Easy money. Holy. Black hole pack, 30% chance it teleports to where? If, wait, coin ball. If the ball is head, scores, that's bad. Monkey ball, if it spawn a banana ball, 10% chance to spawn coconut, 5% chance super gacha ball to deck. We skip this, we get money. I feel like giving the player some starting packs would communicate the idea right away and improve the first impression. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Because it took me a while to understand that the packs are these dots here. Yeah, you're right. What really annoys me though is that I don't know how to increase this value right here. I want more balls. But I can't. So for me, it feels like this. Gummy ball machine? What the hell? Like, can I not get more balls other than 4? The packs are the main element. I guess gains +2 when hit by temporary ball. Okay. Fine. Next round. Okay, chat. Devil ball. How much you talking? 400? Are we getting 400? I'm saying we're getting 400. 80, I mean, oh, 80 plus $11, I take it, that's good enough. Let's get that one. Oh, yeah, 26, baby, let's see. Oh, hit twice.
Your
56, bro.
Empty, Peepo, sad.
Now what? Oh, yeah. 43, 60, and 3, I mean. That's crazy. What is this? Increases hand size. That's got to be the balls. Each time a ball is dropped again. Wait, each time it gains $10 resets when scored. What? Now we're taking this. So now I have... Oh, hell yeah. Give me a ball. Give me a good one. Scores between $0 and $50. Spawns a billiard ball if scored on the outside buckets. Each time a ball is dropped. I don't know what that does. But I guess I'll put it here. 4-star ball! Yes! You know I'm taking this. Ha ha ha! Next round. Okay, chat. Oh, yeah. Oh, it didn't hit the clock. $70 though. I take the $70. 4-star ball. 200? Are we seeing a 200 plus? $342, bro. That's insane. How much is the devil ball gonna give me? 600? Nah, give me 550. Oh my god, I have 1k money. Guys, we can't lose. We can't lose. Damn, this guy's getting money. And this one. I still don't understand the black ball though. $30 for... Oh my god. Your packs placement is gigabad. Oh, so this is like the #1 gambler of all time speaking, or what? I think I'm doing good. Do you have $1K? No, you don't, but I do. Random choice to break. Wait, random chance to break. If it survives 5 drops. When breaks gives. Wait, this is gives 2 damage to packs. Higher chance to activate mine packs. I don't know what that means. When dropping a ball, chance that it clones the... Oh! Clone jutsu! Oh, I'm winning. Axe ball. Give 2 packs. Each time it destroys a pack, it gains 10% damage. Why would I want that? Each time it hits a pack, it gains $2. Scores between 1 and 4 bucket price. These are balls. I want a pack, but for 50k? $50? Oh, 2 packs. Let's do that. Alright. Skip. Why would I skip? Temporarily reverses gravity. It destroys gumballs. Each time it destroys a gumball again. Nah, we do that. Take this. Yeah, we'll put this here. Alright, next round. I want a relic though. Bro, I want a relic. We're getting a relic. Give me some good, bro. Come on. Oh yeah, you already know I'm taking this. Okay, we get a new ball. What do we get? Well, let's re-roll the shop first. Sun pack, chance to spawn a solar flare ball. 5% chance it's transformed into black hole. I guess. Put it here. These suck. We need new balls. Can I get this to wise? One more reroll. 8 basketball. Nah. Oh, we gotta get this, bro. We gotta get this. $2 store by... nah, that's not good. Passive ball gives 3 value, one scores 0.5. Nah, like these balls are bad, but I'm getting good money things here. This one was good. Oh my god, we are farming, guys. We're farming. Oh yes, give me one more, please. Oh, I can only get this once. Crystal ball. Nah. I need better balls, bro. That's, I guess, is fine. Why can I not buy this? I have no money. How did I lose all my money? I did not lose that much money. How much money did I spend? Refresh is minus $10. Guys, it was minus $10. This is bugged. The reroll button is bugged. Guys, it says minus $10. And it literally cost me 500 to reroll. I know I have balls in my pants. I don't need those right now. I need different balls. I can't buy anything. Why not? Well, anyways, the game's bugged. If I lose this time, that's clearly the game's fault, because I totally did not put any balls in my pocket. Oh, I'm so dumb. Anyways, yeah, game sucks. Should have... What happened to my packs? They got randomized. Shuffler? You can shuffle these nuts. Lol. $25 is not enough. We're gonna lose. We need a 300, bro. Please give me a 300. Save me, please. Just yes. Yes, give me that. Yes. 500. Hallelujah, we won. $500 is enough. We won. Give me 200, bro. Give me 200. Come on, you can. 200. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, hell yeah. $75. We're winning. $43. Easy, chat. Easy! What is this? When removing a ball from your deck, chance a devil ball gets added to your deck. To your deck? Rare. Respawns all balls once. Bro, I want to keep playing, but we okay. We'll play one more round. Bro, can you shuffle them back? It's very It's not very nice of you, bro. See, watch this, chat. I'm going to click the button, reroll shop minus $10. It's 10. I should not have clicked that. I'm so dumb. Let's just get that ball here. And I'm gonna click $10 again. How much was it? It takes 50 now. It takes 50. This is lion. This one's good. I can't buy anything. I can't buy anything. I click this. There is something that I'm missing here. The game is not telling me anything. Yeah, my money is gone. Too. My money's gone. Okay, so the game's hella buggy, bro. It's like, okay, that's fine. Hey. Hey. Give me back my balls. Where's my balls? We lost. It's over. Unless this one gives us a big W. Okay, so we almost lost. Huh? Huh? What happened? The game's kind of buggy, bro. You gotta fix that. I can't even pick this. What if I pick this? Oh, I can get it. Okay. Anyways. Otherwise, good game, bro. Really nice. Very good stuff. That's cool. If you guys want to check out this game. Here you go. The reverse grading did something weird to the balls in your pocket. Yeah. I saw that. Very good stuff. And the game, wait, we have a playtest and he wants to release this Q2 in 2026. So anytime soon, right? We can add it to the wish list and see how it goes on release. But he's got a lot more work to do. And I think he still needs to do the demo, which is very important. Though the game, hey, I gotta be honest, the game's not bad. It's a W game. It's a W game, bro. All right, let's see. Where did we end up getting to? 26 gameplay dev. We already saw that. Release in 7 days. Okay, we'll go here. We start here next week. Tomorrow, sorry. Brand tool. Made actually a really cool, good looking GIF. I can't see anything though. Bro, that looks really clean, man. Holy, the pixel art is amazing. How did he do that? Yeah, we gotta find the game that he made and inspect that in RenderDoc to get some inspiration. Click mark on red on that message. On here. Oh, so if I go here, it shows me this message next. If I go here and then go back in here, it shows me this message. Is that how that works? Okay. Oh, we still had this open, lol. Anyways. Alright guys, it's time. Let's get coding. What we need to do is add rotation to the game. And I want to also add shear to the game. Is this new game? Yeah, this is the new game. We're gonna start coding on this now. Have you seen the Take-Two CEO's take on AI in video games? Take-Two is the company that creates GTA 6. No, I have not seen their takes. But usually CEOs are out of touch, so I genuinely take everything they say with a giant grain of salt. Last time I heard about a quadruple A video game turned out to be kind of mid. Let's say that. Look at the sounds video I sent you on Discord. The sounds video. Shopping sounds from the Humble Bundle. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. Let's make it a bit louder. You can make something with this. What about the other ones? Bro, what is this? I just can't, bro. I can't. I need to eat a pancake. This sounds like it's hitting dirt or something. Listen. What is this hitting? What is this? That's a pancake with apples. Very delicious. Very nice. I made that myself yesterday. Hey Huckley, how you doing? I'm back, yeah. Pancake, yeah. Yeah, the game uses my renderer. It's an OpenGL renderer at the moment, but I will also be implementing DirectX. All right, time to chop trees. How's it done in this game? Oh god, there you are, yeah. Uh-oh. That's how this works, okay. Mind you guys, this game got played by real civil engineer. Just letting you know. So he can hit in any direction he wants to. And destroy those trees. So I could even hit down if I wanted to. Which I think makes this control very nice. If I make it so that I have to face into a direction where I'm swinging, I feel like that kind of sucks. Right? But we also have to keep in mind that we want to attack, right? So I feel like having an axe that rotates is actually the best solution. What game is this? Game is called Miglorn. I'm just checking the I'm just checking their controls. And so I suppose I should be able to attack stuff in range, right? By going and clicking on them. That would make it the easiest. I think I like those controls. That's what we could do. Art looks nice, thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, I spent quite a bit of time on it. Yeah, and we're gonna be doing a much better way of crafting than this, because that was really annoying. Since you're already using the mouse, you can also just do that, yeah. So then we need to do interact. This is just bad crafting. Let's not get into that. Like that, I told him that already, but okay. All right, so I want to be able to rotate objects. Let's get a vertex shader. And I think I have rotation in here somewhere. But just comment it out here. Have you ever experienced the dread of stagnation when you're too deep into a project? To quit, but too early to be satisfied with the progress at the same time? Yes, I call it these. It's one of those days. What you do in those days is you just do small tasks. You try not to think too much ahead. That's usually the biggest problem is you're trying to think to the completion part, which is too far away, and that makes you depressed. Because it's right now it feels so far away because you're making so slow progress. Why do the shadows and light look so good, bro? Can you share the secrets? I can go into it in a future if you guys want to. But in short, it's Stardew Valley together with ray marching in a way. Shadows. Ray marching shadows on the trees. And then together with a combination of highlighting trees that are behind or in where that we are in front of. Or, yeah, it's a little bit much to explain in a single sentence. So let's see. What do we need? We are generating vertices. And we need to get an angle. I don't even know if this is correct. We have to test this. Rotation comes before we do anything else. Let's see. We do a for loop. We generate the offset by doing transform position plus transform size, which we don't have transform position. We just have position in. And size in, I think. Yeah. We divide that by 2. Which I don't think we need, do we? Difficult to say, let's see. And then we need the angle, which I don't think we supply yet. We have the layer. Alright, that means we need a new layout. Angle in, and then instead of the angle, we use the angle in. Alright, if I save now, it's not going to work, because in the GL renderer, we first have to add in the UV coordinates, and not the coordinates, the UV, no, the VAO buffer, vertex array object thing, which is here, this stupid layout thing. After the layer, we want another, which 2 ints. Layer. Oh, mat in, material index, I guess. Material in. Okay, we do layer, duplicate it, and then we do angle. I think that's all. Have to restart though. Save this. Now each transform is that coming from? Transform, here we go. We have layer, have a float, angle, and by default the transform right now will be 0. So if I did everything correctly, we should now be able to control the angle, but it should be 0. And it's black. Awesome. So we did make a mistake, which, yeah, how about we don't do Perler noise logging so that we can see actually what's happening. What's the game you're making, Cakes? Better be an RPG. I love RPGs. Well, it's something like Miglorn, but hopefully a bit better. Okay, so what's the error? Everything's black. Because of the rotation. So, since we don't get any errors, there's only 2 possible outcomes. I need to add padding. Oh, of course, that needs to be layout 7, location 7. Okay, let's try to rotate something. Let's see, draw data is used in those calls. But a transform has a layer. Oh no, wait, it's not. You know, it has angle. Eh? Oh, I see. Transform data. Does not have that yet. Get transform. Okay, so now it passes the angle through. At least there, though. We need more, most likely. Next game, tower defense again. Not really a tower defense, but a base defense. Definitely something with defending your stuff. Yes, I just love defending. And we will soon be playing Thronefall too, because I want to know how they implemented the base defense. Because they are also massively successful. So I want to see, okay, what did they do? Is there something we can take away from that? Right. Do you plan on investing your money? Oh man, like I feel like me not doing anything at the moment is such a huge waste. So for example, I talked to a guy from the bank and he told me he could put my geld at no cost onto a Tageskonto and I would get 1.2%. And then I made a calculation of, let's say you put 100k there, so 100 times 1.012. That is $1. But that's $1,000 a year. Right? If you multiply that by, let's say, 3, that is $3,000 a year. So $3,600 a year divided by 12. That's $300. Money. Guys, you have to understand. Guys, listen. That is... Guys, I get it. It's less than inflation. But right now, it sits in a bank account and does nothing. So that's minus 300 each month. It's free money. You don't understand. So I could put 300k there and earn 300 euros each month for free. Go to a real financial advisor. No, listen, guys, I told the bank guy that right now I don't know what to do. And he was like, hey, even at no cost, it's better than not doing anything. Oh my gosh, you guys. Guys, right now it sits in my bank account. And it's rotting away. Because I don't like spending money, okay? I went out and I hated that day. Yesterday. I went out yesterday to buy stuff for the new flat. And as cringy as it sounds, but I could not bring myself to spend more than 100 euros. I just could not. And I mostly bought stuff that was necessary, but I just can't. You know. I don't know what an ETF is, bro. On yards. 42-month mod anniversary. Oh god. What is this green check mark here? Cropping, auto cropping on clips. I think. Yeah, I appreciate that. Set a budget, maybe? A budget of what? Well, guys, what do you mean, a budget of what? 1.2% is horrible. Guys, you have to understand that right now I'm doing nothing, okay? Listen, let me put it this way. If I stream to Twitch for... I need to do a month where I'm consistent, because I have not been consistent. If I stream to Twitch 4 hours a day, 5 times a week, I earn about 400 to 500 euros. That is almost the same amount of money.
No soap, no skill,
by
no
doing nothing.
Ideas, bloom, steal a bastard, no clue, no knowledge,
so,
no
like, for me,
text, no code, dumb idiot,
that's
Tangy,
crazy.
Fuck off, stop streaming, okay, champ.
Shut the fuck up. Okay. My older sister sometimes wakes up in the middle of the night, orders something, and goes to bed again. My wife's angry? No, my wife is okay. Though I gave my wife some yeah, but it doesn't matter. But I just don't like spending money. That's it. There's nothing more. Like, yeah. We don't need angle here. Yeah, see, AQ gets it. 1.2%, guys, is better than 0%, but I understand that there are better ways to spend your money. However, I didn't have the time and freedom to check on those because I don't want to lose that by doing something dumb. You understand? So I might just call the bank guy, tell him to put 300k in that bank account thing, earn like 300 or 600 euros by waiting and thinking, then not. You know? The money is not blocked or anything, no. No, the money, I'm already using some of the money. For example, for the flat, 800 euros went into caution and 385 went into the first monthly payment to live there. Right, so the flat costs me 385 euros a month, which is insanely cheap, by the way. It's one of the cheapest flats in all of Münster. I don't think there's... Finding a cheaper flat is almost impossible. $385, not 3,850. No, that would be burning away money. No, I can transfer between Tagesgeld and current. Hin und zurück, ohne Probleme. Why is it so cheap? It's the region, I suppose. It's 24 square meters, so it's kind of small. But even then, it's cheap. Why is it so cheap? I don't know exactly, but it's also just a good catch, I think. No, it's 24. It's actually... See, it's crazy. 19 square meters.
Am I so out of touch?
Yo, Rafi, how you doing? Thank you so much for the support.
Rafi18 just subscribed.
Guys, it is not 3.8k a month. It is 385. Stop saying 3k. 19 square meters is what I lived in when I moved out of my parents' house for the first time. I paid 300 euros back then. That was like 8 to 10 years ago. Maybe even longer. Even longer, like 12 years ago. So I paid 312 years ago. Now the same flat, I kid you not, costs 450 euros. The flat didn't change. The residence didn't change. Just the money changed. 150 more. 50% of what it originally costed was on top, is on top. And that flat is 19 square meters. And the one that I got, which is 5 minutes away from Zoe's kindergarten, is 385. It's cheaper and bigger. And it's really clean. Like my wife and I went there yesterday. She helped me clean. Like she told me that she didn't even need to clean because it was so clean. So haunted. Hey, they can haunt me all day because if anything, the ghosts will go away because I'm too loud. Secret Google Spy, my man. Thank you very much for following again, I think. For coming back. Thanks for coming back, bro. Thank you for successful game. Thank you. I appreciate it. I envy you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Big W's. No, it's not a crack. Then you could see that, bro. You would be able to see that. Anyways. You guys, you want water? Anyways, let's move on. We have that. UI draw data. Yeah, there you go. There's anger in here. Oh, excuse me. The water animation is nice. AQ did that. I also did inform myself about how I could potentially do some other water animations though. So I'm not going to be following the water animation tutorial of Jess Codes though, because she literally uses like 10 shaders just to get the water in there. And I think that's way overkill just for water. It is way too much work and doesn't make any sense. What are you paying now for the flat, for my flat? Did you make the assets yourself? This stuff right here? Yeah, that's my stuff. This is my stuff. And this one here too. This is also my stuff. We are currently working on a somewhat survival, incremental survival game. Incremental survival game is what we don't have a name yet. We'll have to see what type of name we do. But that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be awesome, chat. I can't wait. Okay, we need the angle here. Do we need angle? I guess we do.
Am I so out of touch?
Yo, thank you very much for subscribing.
No.
Neo and underscore SOWL just subscribe. Bissel spat Eberglock wunsch deine Murfolk.
Bisschen spät, aber Glückwunsch. Dankeschön, Dankeschön. I appreciate it. Big W's. Thank you, man. Float angle is 0. Moondev ally. Ellie. Yeah, English TTS is mangling the German here. Yeah. If you put 100k into an index fund with 7 to 8% return yearly, you get... So, Rust compiler. Guys, or smart people in chat. I have a question because I don't know this stuff. If I put 100k into an index fund now, and it's 7% or 8% return over 1 year, how do I get my money back? How do I get the money back? I know it can go up or down, but a fund is like between you sell. So, wait. So, how does that work? You take the profit out at your bank and pay tax on the profit. You buy a fund, you sell a fund. give me your bank data. I get it back for you. I see. Always use cash. Yeah, listen, I got the cash for the... I had to, how do you call that? Ich musste das Geld abheben für die Kaution in Englisch halt, ne? Sorry. And my freaking wallet exploded. I hate that feeling. You know how when you have, like, it was too many Scheine in English to properly fold the Brieftasche in English. Fucking words, bro. Alright, let's draw something in the game. Guys, I think... Do you guys think the AI bubble will burst at some point? Like, imagine the AI bubble bursts and boom, all your money is gone. Let me draw something. Wooden stakes. Let's do this here. Let's see. Does it rotate? Oh my god, it just works. But it's not rotating around the pivot point. We had that before. So now we need to make it rotate around the pivot point, not the center. They are already talking about using pension funds and savings for AI. One day I might get corrupt and due to too much data. Why don't you reuse your existing engine? I am though. I'm taking a lot of stuff from my engine and putting it in here. But I'm making my engine, I'm taking the mistakes of that engine and I'm trying to fix them. Somebody ban WhatsApp because he wrote bad code in the chat and he's wrong. I remember being able to rotate in my game GPU. How do I rotate? And what did I do? Position. Input struct. Atlas offset. How do I rotate properly? It's flipping. Wait. Here it's called rotate around pivot. Aha, I need a pivot point to be able to rotate around that point. That's the function. That is a function. Okay. Wait, I'm a ghost. Am I in Cake's purgatory? I never get a response. Okay, let me read your message, because it's all about you today. Okay, Saddam Studios, let me see. What are your messages? Cakes, how did you do the lighting around those trees? You also pay taxes on interest earned, so you're always paying taxes. How did you do the lighting effect? Invest small amounts as a publisher for micro games. 15% cut, boom. What if you did Cake Studios, hired 4 devs and acted as the game designer for small budget 3-month turnaround games? Yeah, 4 devs, hell nah. How did you make that lighting effect smiley face? I'll make a video about it, okay? If you really want to know. Do you guys really want to know that? There's only 2 good things about Germany, Rammstein and Cakes. Big W's, thank you! Let's copy this. Let's put it into the shader header here. If not dev engine. I think I can just get that here, right? Rotate around pivot. Let me see. So rotate around pivot takes a position, an angle, and a pivot point. And in my own engine, I take the vertex position. Oh god.
Am I so out of touch?
That's how I do it. Okay.
No.
Struddlehand69 just subscribe. Why did I sub?
I don't know, my man. Thank you. I appreciate the support, though. Thank you very much, Strudelhund. Basically, the lighting is a mix between Stardew Valley, Ray Marching, lighting, and then applying the Ray Marching only on the ground of the game and not on the objects of the game. So we have ground on the bottom that gets Ray Marched, and we have objects in the game that get drawn on top and have lighting applied again, which makes the game very dark, even with a very, let's say, bright lighting system. And I can go into more detail when I have a bit more time. I could even make a YouTube video about it if you guys really want to. And then go into the detail. Do I Ray March? I take all of the obstacles that are not close to the player and I add them to a list, and I store the start and end angles of those obstacles, and then in the shader I stamp out from every start and end rotation the lighting. Why is he I'm not shouting. That's how I speak. With pressure, clarity, And I'm German, yeah. I don't have sign distance fields at all, no. Anyways, let's continue. Let us continue, chat. So the rotation works, which means we could even make it rotate. I don't need... This is totally bad, isn't it? Yeah. I don't know what I did, but for every vertex I was doing a for loop for 6. That's bad. So I just need to rotate the vertex position. Here. So we already have the angle. We have the function rotate around pivot, which can take in the vertex position. Then it does minus the offset, puts in the angle, and then we need the pivot point. Minus. That's something we are missing, which I suppose we put here. To 7, which is a vector 2 pivot point in, and then this is 8, which right now if I save it'll break the thing, and then we'll go here and let's just yoink the double float for position and call it pivot point in after the angle. Pivot point. Good stuff. Now we need to go to transform. Put a vector 2 pivot point there, which means in the render interface, get transform also needs a pivot point. Which right now transform data does not have that. Means we need a vector 2 pivot point. Good. Which means now every time we call get transform, we have to make sure that that is supplied. Here we go. Draw data now also needs the sprites pivot point, where we have that actually. Pivot offset. Alright, so right here. We also have the sprite here, dot pivot point, which is sprite dot pivot offset. Good. Get transform. We don't need that here. Definitely need that for UI. Nice. For glyphs, we don't have pivot points. Okay. Let's see. Let's check. Why is it black? Oh, implicit cast from vector 4 to vector 2. In the vertex shader, What? Where? Difficult to say because it says 202, but we have the shader header as well, which adds in 114. So 202 minus 114, 88. So we're around 80, somewhere around 80. So it's gotta be, this is vector 4, so it has to be here. How about this? Does this work? Yes. So it's this line. That means... Oh, I see. Because this is a vector 2. And it wants a vector 2, not a... I see. Can we do dot xy? Does it work? Why does that not work, chat? Assignment is incompatible. What? Assignment of incompatible types. Nani? Wait, I see. This is a vector 4. And this is a vector 2. Wait. Okay, wait. How about this? No, wait. I got it. How about this? No. Let's begin easy, right? There you go. And then we do at the very end. We will use the vertex position here. Then we apply the rotation here. There you go. That's gotta work. Big W's! Chat, big W's! Come on! Come on! This is awesome. Because now we can rotate around the pivot point. Why is that important? Well, let me show you. I can track when the mouse is on top of a tree. When I click on a tree, I want to use a time variable. And, well, one sec. Now is where we can actually do the animation already. Let me see. Big W's, yes, thank you. Foliage here. So essentially, a foliage needs a float hit timer. If we click it, then we do the hit timer is 0.5 seconds. I think it's better to have 0.4, but foliage. What the hell? That means foliage is no longer const. We are actually changing it. Hit timer exists, brother. Just implemented that. I see. It didn't save yet. So hit timer 0.4 and then float angle is, and this is where I have to yoink some code from my game. Hit tree. Enemy. Enemy follow path. Collide with Tangy tree. Noise timer 0.2. I think it's an update foliage. Or is it in draw foliage? It's gotta be here. Noise timer. Get noise. Gets added to it, but we also draw the angle. Angle is noise times that. Okay. So first, do we have a get noise function? Where's that coming from? Schnitzel lib. I hope I have this. Ease heavy sting. It does not exist. Okay. Good stuff. That's fine though. We can get that after vector 2. I suppose we put it at the end of vector 2. Oh my god. Look how many functions we have, guys. Okay, get noise. I hate const, guys. I hate const. It just makes the line longer. Does nothing. Alright, so get noise. And also, who coded them? What the... Who coded this? We need to get the noise based on the timer, right? Let's see. That's what we need to do. Okay. What did I do with the noise timer? And I think I did it after this. Noise and then float angle is the noise value on X, I think. Times 0.02. Okay, guys, awesome. So now we add the noise to the position. And we add the angle to drawing, to the draw function. And now, whenever I hit, do we have delta time in this? I think we do. I need to restart real quick, and then every time we click on a tree, it should rotate a little bit. Let's hope this works. Oh, wait. Yeah, it does. And when I'm building, I actually do not want to build the precompiled header every time, because that is 0.7 milliseconds I could save. Oh, Okay. It's too long, but good enough. All right, let's tweak this a little bit, shall we? Obviously, I want this to be cooler in terms of the animation, right? I want this to rotate a little bit more. So let's put the hit timer at 0.2. And the noise for the angle, let's put it at... Let's increase the range a little bit by 2.6. Let me see. Oh! And the cool thing is, guys, that could even happen, like this type of stuff, right? If I wanted to have an enemy attack one of those spikes, they could have the same thing. Right? Let's make it even shorter. That's perfect. And I might even cancel out the X. No, sorry, not the X, but the Y. I might even cancel out the 3 moving and Y axis because I think that's a bit odd.
Am I so out of touch?
Oh my god, that's perfect.
No.
Mukashix to just subscribe.
That's it. So we already have that done. And watch. So every time oh, we don't have remove index, don't we? And swap. No, we don't have remove index and swap. I need an array. Can I not do array? Wait, let me redesign this. I think the only... And how do I add to the foliage thing? We need to call add. Here, create foliage. If game state.foliage.is full, return null pointer. Get rid of this. Then, if not, we added ID. I think that works. We add the index here. Then we just use the ID. There we go. Then we store the index. And we return F. There you go. And then when we do the primary, if the foliage shelf is 0, then we do game state foliage dot remove index and swap, and then we just do I. Because I think I is what we loop over, and now we can remove I and call it foliage index. And then we know what I actually is. It's a foliage index, right? We remove and swap the foliage index, minus minus, and then we continue. Because we have a normal for loop, we continue the loop, and we keep iterating over, which makes this as... this makes it as... How do you call that? Whatever that's called. But it's still red. I don't see where though. Foliage count. Game CPP. Let's see. Aha. Well, we could just do clear, which sets the count to 0. And then foliage. End of init once we have reached maximum foliage. So once game state foliage dot is full. That's it. Cool. Can you add effects on the chopping of the tree and the tree dying? Yeah, that'll be something I do over time. I still need to watch how long you staying on, bro. We'll see. You ain't leaving, right? Because then I'll ban you. I still need to watch Randy's video on particle effects. He posted one a long time ago. Actually, we didn't even check out his game. Actually, he released his game, didn't he? And I want to see if I cannot improve my particle system to make it a bit better before I start working on a new engine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gone. Gone, chat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double kill. Very nice. Now we can delete trees. Very nice. Do trees come back? Well, the next thing that I need to do is actually do an animation where the top part of the tree rotates and it leaves behind the tree stump. What if you spam mouse? I mean, it just goes faster. Right now it goes faster because it's every mouse click. Okay, so we actually can chop down trees now. The next thing that I would like to do, because it's going to be used the entire time, it's going to be part of your main gameplay loop, is swinging the axe and the character that does the swinging. That's what we're gonna do next. So we're going to create a character that can wear different items. That's the idea. W. Yeah, I think we got a good W here. We have the animation on the tree. It's missing particles when it's getting hit. But for a minimum viable product, this does not need to have particles coming off of it when it's getting hit. That is something polish-wise that you do when you know that your game is good and you're going for the last stretch. You're making it as appealing as possible and as juicy as possible. So I don't want to do particle effects just now. I would rather spend my time on something else and move on. Very nice. I'm happy that we can rotate around the pivot point because I didn't have that for the longest time in the game. I'm a little worried about the data though, guys. What do you think? Should I make the data a bit better? We have an int for the position in the atlas. Then we have an int for the sprite size. We have and need 2 floating point precisions for position and size. Two floating point arrays for position and size. Then I have a pack for render options, font and matrix index. These are important to get the, like, this is not important for normal transforms, but it is important for font characters that are also drawn here. this is important to know which camera to use. So which matrix. Layer is obvious, right? We need that. Angle is obvious now. We need that too. The pivot point could be an int. So I could turn it from a vector to an int. And then we need 2 colors. Why not use matrices? I'm using matrices. Sorry, I took a small break from the live. Ban this guy right now. Get him out of here! The light looks amazing. Is it normal maps or something? No, the cool part about this lighting system is that it's not normal maps. It is a mask that makes certain pixels darker than others and creates, especially with a high pixel density, a very realistic lighting effect that does not look like the typical lighting that you know from your Unity games or normal games. The smooth lighting curve in pixel art. It does not look like that. And it's cheap too. I think I'm good for now, guys. Had a long day. It's been 6 p.m. So I think I want to do one more time before we leave, because last time we didn't get it to work, chat. Can you guess what it is? I want to learn. And maybe we can use the water in this game too. Maybe. We'll see. Kingdom Classic. Animated water. Kingdom Classic has, in my opinion, Kingdom Classic has gotten known for their water animations. If you think about a 2D side-scroller and you think about water, then Kingdom is the first game that comes to mind. Because it's essentially projecting the entire top half of the game down in the water and makes it look insanely beautiful. And we talked about this in the past, those of you who remember. Animated water success? Well, yeah. It has become their sign. How do you say that? It's become their trademark, I guess. You will remember this game because of the water. And the game tries to focus on one thing and one thing only, which is being beautiful. And since the cool part about this is that it's a pixel art game, I always love checking out pixel art games. Last time we failed, didn't actually manage to do it, but now we can. I learned how to do it from AQ. It's actually possible to take a look at this game and check out how they do what they do. So, and we only need render doc. We just need the executable path. And then let me check real quick what you typed. Let me find it real quick. Force DirectX 11. So you put the command line argument force DirectX 11 here, which will then, I guess, make Unity use a different renderer. And that renderer is something we can actually debug using. Nani, do I have to put it? Oh, I see. We need to select the kingdom. One sec. We need to actually select the kingdom executable, not just the folder. So we need to go here and then put kingdom executable in there. Good. And then we can launch. And then we can check out the game and learn something. And that's what I want to do. You see this? Top left, capturing DirectX 11. And it looks the same. That's the important part. And since I wanted to actually continue this game, we can now create some screenshots For example, when I'm running, I want to see. It looks like this got to be a particle effect, right? What if I run with the horse endlessly until I tire? Is it just baked into the horse sprite? Run. Run. Come on, dude. How long can I run for, bro? What are you shooting at, you guys? You're missing. Let's make another screenshot here. Bro, how far can you run? Is it by distance? Let's get this guy with me here. Uh-oh. I don't know why the horse is not out of stamina or breath already. There we go. We're almost out of breath. Oh my god, where am I? Okay, so now I'm out of breath. I want to see. I think it's baked into... Okay, we gotta go back. We need to hurry up and go back. Actually, what if we close the game right now? Okay, so I made some screenshots, and the important part here is that I want to know how this frame is made out of. It's not about stealing any art, and definitely you should never use this to steal art. It's about learning how the game is drawn so that you get an idea on how certain techniques have been used. And I have used this a lot in the past to understand. So for example, what we see here is it looks like there's some depth buffer values. That to me, if I look, let's see, kingdom. Difficult to say what that is for. I can't actually tell what that's supposed to be. So I'm just gonna skip over this because it could be some render target view. It clears. Oh, I get... Wait, was that a... That might have been a bug. It looks like. Okay, so they clear to white the depth stencil, which is fine. And then they start drawing. Ah, there we go. So now it gets interesting. They start with the gradient. That is the gradient that we can see in... Can I actually... Can I see the picture? Wait, I think I want to do the following. I want to take the final result and I want to save that as a texture. Can I save it as a PNG? Perfect. Path. Let's save it in Spielentwickler and make a new one. Render. Actually, I have render doc captures already. Here we go. And then we make a new one for Kingdom. And here we save the first screen. Sunset. There you go. Let's save that. Because I want to open it and compare that. I suppose... Yeah, here we go. There we go. Perfect. And the reason why it's a PNG, why it needs to be a PNG file, is because of the pixel perfect... of the pixels, right? So I would assume that since... Let's go to the beginning. This has to be the gradient, right? From blue... but inverted. So essentially that's gonna be the background layer, just a gradient between two colors. RGBA, typical texture. And the important part here that I wanted to see is the resolution. You see here at the bottom it is 512 by 256. However, the game was in full screen. That is interesting. 512 times 4, that's 2048. That's not 1920. That's an odd resolution, I gotta be honest. Does anyone have an idea why it's 512? Anyways, let's see. So what is it drawing now? It draws a lot of stuff, but we can't see anything actually. It draws 700 instances. What is this drawing here?
The takeaway from this
Actually,
segment is we
doesn't
need to animate
show
water.
anything. That's super odd. This draw call is odd to me. Does nothing. Let's skip over this. All right. Let's see outputs. Input. A star. That's a star? That is actually a star, yo. You can't be serious. It is drawing a single star? It's drawing a single star in multiple places? Can you guys see it? Do you see any stars? For nighttime? So the stars are not visible right now? Color. They have alpha 0. And I would assume that the blend mode wait, it's not enabled though. Is it blending or not? It's enabled. Overlay, highlight, draw call, and wireframe. Yeah, you're right, you're right. That's a good point. Bro, where the hell is it? Where is it? What? Where did they draw these? I mean, let's move on. So that's the first one actually that we see. All right. So here's where it's actually... Oh, God. Okay, that looks better. Here we can see the texture atlas, and it looks like it is drawing... I have no clue what it's drawing from here. That is the typical texture atlas that you see from games when they pack assets together. The moon. It's probably... Let me see. Is that the moon? I think it's the sun. Because it's here. That has to be the sun. So the sun's texture is literally... The moon is here. It draws the moon and the sun. And the sun is just... Well, just a round texture with a color, it looks like. Okay. Next. Oh, let's say, now it's starting to draw those clouds. And unfortunately, we can't really tell where the clouds come from. We could try to find it here. I really like checking this usually, where the clouds are coming from. Or usually textures in general. I think it's this right here. This part. Just white and a bit of darker white. What color is this? It's gray. It's white and very tiny gray. That's the... Oh, I see. That's those two. But they're very transparent, so they blend into the background. Right, so right now we have highly transparent. Let's see pipeline state one more time. No, mesh we are. Excuse me. Oh yeah, the color is 0.4, 0.3. Okay. Let's continue. Oh. Oh my. I know what that is. That's this part right here. So interesting. To make glow happen, they don't use bloom or a shader. They just draw a white circle. that is transparent and gradient. That is a transparent gradient. That's interesting. Because literally the way you do that is by going, for example, where is it? I closed it. But by going into Sprite, you make a new file. You, let's say 128 by 128. Then you take a white dot, you make it large. Let's try to center this. Let's see, where's the center? I need to make it a bit larger. I think 42 is good. You center this and then you press F9. And then you blur this. You see? That's one way to do it. Now you already got this stuff right here. Very easy to do. And all you do is you overlay this by using additive blending. Right, if we go into pipeline state, I'm pretty sure... Yeah, I'll add. It's additive blending. You can see here, it's added together. Source Alpha 1, I think this is additive blending. Hey, Janet. Oh, thank you very much for the raid. I appreciate it. Saw you on the Thomas Brush show. Amazing stuff, dude. Thank you. Thank you very much. And also for the raid. I hope you have had a good stream yourself. He was so nice to also help me out with the DMCA stuff by letting me explain the DMCA situation. It was actually not gonna be part of the not tutorial, the interview, because when we set up to make an interview, I wasn't even DMCA striked, but then it happened and we were helped out a lot. Yeah, right now we're working on a new game. Hello, everyone. Essentially, something like a survival game where you could chop down trees and resources. Right now we only have trees. And you build up your base, and then you obviously have to defend the base at night. And I want to create a nice vibe, a cozy vibe, with fire and good lighting system. And we are doing research on how to properly create a cozy yet also dark vibe at night to make the enemies feel deadly, while at the same time, you know, giving you this relaxing feeling. And the thing about this game will be, though, that it's a not so, how do you say that, hardcore survival game where if you lose, you don't have to restart from the beginning, you actually restart from the day. That's the idea. I don't know if it'll work out, because I think you can still soft lock yourself. If you survive one day, but you made bad decisions going all the way till day, I don't know, 20, I think you might still lose on day 22. You could keep retrying. Well, we'll see, right? Yeah, anyways, and right now we are taking a look at this game, trying to learn something from this. Dissecting the graphics. And essentially, we have just been looking at how the sun has been drawn. So we are currently at the part of the sun being drawn. So that's still the background. But yeah, let's move on here. So that was this and the moon. They both have additive blending, it looks like. And I'm pretty sure that this texture is a different color than this. I think it's not just white. But yeah, anyways, let's see. More clouds. It's simple. Aha. So there's the first actual, how do you call that? Parallax layer tile from the texture. Oh, I see. That's in its own texture. Very interesting stuff. And the crazy part about this, guys, is that it's literally 4 colors. It's just 4 colors, but it looks good. And that has to be, I'm pretty sure this is a filter. Some Unity filter make it look good with gradient. The reason why I want to see this is not because I don't know how to draw this. That's possible. I don't know how to go. Let's turn off wireframe. Oops. I don't know how to go from... See, like I was doing this 1.5 years into my journey already. But I don't know how to go from this flat looking pixel art to this, let's call it washed out, distance looking mountains. That's why I want to learn this. Okay, let's move on. Let's see. More layers. Okay, layer on top. More mountains. Aha! What did he do? Unity white? Are you kidding me? What do you mean Unity white? It is just a white quad, I guess. Let's see, mesh. What's the color? You can't be serious. It doesn't tell me what color it is. No way. What color is this? Post-processing is art. Yeah. Bro, you can't be serious. It is definitely blending something. But what is the color of this stupid thing? It is Unity white. Look at uniforms. Where can I see them again? Oh god, these are the generic buffers. Which one you want? This one? I don't think it's this. Let's look at the other one. Wait, is that color? But it's all 0. There's no way that's true. Ask the devs to send you the Unity project. Like they would send me the Unity project, bro. No way. This is gonna be a matrix, right? That has to be. This is the matrix. That's another matrix. So it's not those. It's not this buffer here. Do we have other buffers? Oh. Oh, I see. Color. Input. Wait, maybe, but it needs to use the... Here's the color. But which one is it? You can't be serious. Wait, it's a gradient again? It's a gradient again! Right? Assuming that these are the top or bottom pixels, or if this is the quad that we draw, right? Then 3 of those have to be the top, and 3 of those have to be the bottom. Alpha value is 0 on top or bottom. Where is it? It's gotta be 0 on the bottom. It has to be. Or is it 0 on top? Let me zoom in. Or is 0 on top? It's 0 on top. It's 0 on top, guys. 100%. Because the color here doesn't change. Gradient height fork. Okay, so... okay. Wait. And the color is... Bro, it's 2 different colors. Are you fucking kidding me? It's gray... on top. What is this color? Wait, 0.5. Wait, I want to see. I want to know what that color is. 0.5 is, I guess, the halfway point, right, guys? So if I do RGB, and I'm assuming this is red, then 0.4 is this. 0.4. 0.6. So this color? Yeah, it looks like it's a mist from the bottom to the sky. Yeah, you're right. Okay, so it's essentially a gradient layered on top that simulating this dust close. I think it's supposed to be Nebel in English, bro. Let's look at the moon here. Does the moon change? Bro, the moon doesn't change either. Yeah, no, like if we look here, you can see that it is somewhat this color. Not exactly, but somewhat. You see the big red triangle? You can click on the vertex to see the values in the window. Oh, you're right. Wait, can I? Aha. But that doesn't tell me if it's rotated or not. So it's definitely top. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, let's move on. So, gradient. A gradient to simulate fog. Okay, you guys, you following? Tomorrow will be a test. Okay, so you write down everything you can. Tomorrow will be a test. If you don't know the answers, I will ban you. Okay? Let's see. Let's continue. Let's make this a bit bigger so it's a bit more easy to see. All right, next. Aha. I would assume that that's just trees. That's crazy. The trees are gray. So wait, the trees are gray to be able to color them using multiplication? Is that correct? Wait, I want to see if that works. One sec, chat. One sec. Sprite. Let's open this one here. Make a new layer. And then just wait. I got an idea. Huh? What the hell did I do? Did I rotate this or something? Okay. Good stuff. Let's make a new layer. And just normal gray. Which gray value are they using? Does it matter? Does not seem to matter. All right, let's see. So let me export that. And then this will be gray. And we can check what happens. When do I draw the wooden spike? Here. Let's give it a material. And obviously the stupid intelligence does not want to help me. It's just dot color. Color green. Is it perfectly green? That's good. Why is it perfectly green? It's not perfectly green. Right? It is a gray green. It's a dark green, I suppose. Huh. Interesting. Okay. It's just the brightness information. You're right. You're right. And they make these trees darker. But why is the dark trees on top? And the bright trees in the back? That's odd. Or you can barely tell. Because it's such a dark color. Okay. Yeah, I want to see how they do the Wasser too. Yeah, we're working on it. Okay, so that's in front again. It's another one in front. Let's continue a bit. Let's make it a bit faster, okay? What did we just draw? Oh, that's a tree here. Okay. Another part here. Another part here. Another gradient. You're kidding. There's another gradient. Because you have more light the further you look into the distance. Okay, I thought it would be it would be the other way around. The further it is away, the less light you have, I guess. Another gradient. This time is really obvious. Okay. Fog, yeah, that's supposed to be fog. Oh, Unity things. Okay, so it draws this. This is when it draws the foreground. Or let's say the player area. Okay, these are all just normal sprites. It draws that, which is just... Let me see, I want to see how they did that. That's gotta be a tile. Can I find it? Yeah, here it is. Wait, it's so long? You mean to tell me they drew all of... No, there's a way. There's got to be a repetition. I will find you. See, you lying. You lying. They're repeating. Yeah. It's a repeating tile. I see you. I knew it. Aha. Never mind. Yeah, okay. I mean, it is somewhat repeating with filled in spots. Okay, it's fine. I would do that too. Like, I would definitely cheat. I would not draw this entire thing. Absolutely not. Okay, continue. Ground. But it's... Yeah, okay. I mean, let's move on. How did they did the ground? Grass. Wait, the grass is separate? Are these tiles? Hey, guys, is this a tile set? This has to be a tile set. Must be. Oops, sorry. Let me see, output. Yeah, it's gotta be a tile set. Well, I don't know how tall one tile is. Wait, I think it's this long. Could be wrong though. It could also just be 16 by 16 or something. I don't know. But okay. Wait, actually we can see the wireframe, then we know. Aha, it is a tile, yeah. So it is that many tiles that it's drawing. Ah, then we can also check. Wow, these are long tiles. Holy cow. Look, this is one texture. If your game makes around 1 million, Steam sends you an expensive chocolate. Really? Ah, okay. Just the water, guys. It is... You can't be serious. That's it? One call? Wait. No. What is the... Okay, so... Okay, well, that's a lot of stuff in here. Aha. Reflection buffer. What you talking about? Where's that coming from, please? Reflection buffer? Texture 2? It's in the input? Bro, you can't be serious. No, I get it that it's sampling using those noises, right? It generates it uses those two noises, maybe adds them or multiplies them. Or something else, I don't know. And then it samples from... I don't know what it's sampling from. Because it literally looks the same. It is exactly the same. It's just a render texture rendering the camera with a noise shader. So what you're saying is... Wait, what was the destination the entire time? Screen... No, wait, it was a screen texture. So, wait, are you guys saying... No, it is... See, like, RenderDoc tells us what's happening. RenderDoc says they have been rendering into the screen texture. They must have taken the screen texture, flipped it, and put it below. They must have. There is no other way around it. You see all of the commands bottom left. Oh god. Set shader resource. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Unfortunately, I can't see that texture. So they must have wait, 128 by 64. No, guys, the resolution of this texture has to be the same resolution. Otherwise, it would look bad. Render texture. Sets a sampler. Sets another. Wait. It sets a resource 128. Let's see. It's got to be... Yeah, so this call right here is setting this texture. This call right here is setting this texture. So it sets these two textures. Then it sets another texture as the shader resource view. That texture is this right here. And well, it's not. I don't get it. Reflection buffer, like these nuts, bro. What you? Huh? What? So wait, they must have taken the previous output, this right here, flipped it, and put it below. 100%.
If they do not use il to CPP, you can go at the game folder. Gamedev _ data. Manage assembly CSHARP. DLL and open it on DNSP to inspect their whole decompiled source code to see how
blend
they done it.
What blend state do they set? They set a different blend state. Then obviously they make a full screen quad. Then they set dev probably to 0. Yeah, they turn off dev. Rasterizer they make 2 custom water shaders. Vertex and pixel shader. Then some buffer that doesn't really matter much. The constant buffer doesn't matter. And then they draw the quad. They draw the quad. Wait, double click the texture. Which texture? Then look at its ID. This one. Where can I see the ID? Click on the arrow. Guys, one thing at a time. Double click. Wait, double click the texture. So this one right here. Then click on the ID. Click on the arrow on the side. Guys, you're confusing me because I feel like you are one step ahead of me. I'm sure you can do it in Unity in 20 minutes. It's just that render texture with a material rendering a given camera, and that's it. That is it. Listen to the other guy. Who? Just duplicate the game rendering into a texture and apply a shader into it. Yeah, that's what I thought it is. So essentially what it does is it draws the game somehow twice or something. What I find confusing though is that it's not listed here. There's only one output. Yeah, the duplicate call is nowhere to be seen. That's the point. You know? Wait. Output. Eh? Am I dumb? 1 second. Am I that high? 1 second. The rest of the whole. There we go. We don't see anything. Wait. That's different. Maybe the unmap constant buffer is the thing that's copying it. But it's only 352 bytes. So, probably not. There's no copying, Cakes. But then how can you have two textures? Cakes, it wires it at the end of the pass. No, you cannot make it a shader resource view and a render target view. You cannot do that. Literally last draw call. Look at it. Draw indexed? Eh? What? I don't see anything. Am I stupid? Or something? I don't get it. Draw indexed. I don't understand. This is confusing. Really confusing. It writes the frame into the reflection buffer. Huh? I don't get it. Sorry, I just don't understand. I do not understand. It makes no sense. This looks like magic to me. Sorry, it makes no sense. Nope. Don't understand. This draw call makes no sense. That's what they use to copy the final image into the reflection buffer. What? I don't understand. What? How can I see the ID? Doesn't say which ID it is, does it? I don't get it. So it's always one frame behind. So what you guys are saying is that here we are drawing this picture. Oh, it's like immediate mode UI. I get it. I understand. So when the game is... Wait, but what about the first image? What about the chicken and the egg? That makes no sense. What's there first? We lose. Coding Jesus plays your game on YouTube. Hey, that's amazing. I'm gonna check it out in a sec. Awesome to hear. You use 2 cameras? Okay, so essentially, what they... One sec. That's got to be just the wireframe. It's got to be the bottom part of it, yeah. So that's basically how they made it, Cakez.
Hey everybody, this is
23
Games
minutes.
Plus James, and today we're going to take a look at creating a water shader effect in Unity. The effect we're going for is the kind of look that we have at the bottom down here of just reflecting what's happening.
So they watched a YouTube video and just copied that. Yeah, I don't wanna see the entire blah blah blah. Okay. Yeah, good. Have you used the capture while running? Not saying it's fine. I would do it differently, but essentially what they do is they take this part right here. But why now? Why now? Why not later? They take the final image, so they just draw more stuff on top. I see they want to draw more stuff on top, that's why. That is in front. But you could still use a sorting algorithm to get that. Okay, so I guess they draw more stuff on top now. Yeah, to be on top of this image. But you can use a dev buffer with that, that's fine. Alright, and then they draw this again into the buffer, I see. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I see. Okay, let's see. And then after, what are they doing? What the hell is this? That's not something we can see. Coin bag. Oh, I guess it's right now the coin bag is, what you call it, invisible. Okay, so that's the coin bag. Oh, so now we're drawing UI. And it draws on top because the coin bag is right now not needed. It still draws the coin bag, which is kind of stupid, but fine. Draws the UI. And here's where the magic happens. We set the swap chain destination, we clear to white, and we draw the game, but we also apply noise to it. We take this. Wait. When did the noise happen? Bro, you can't be serious. It's clear right here. Unity. When did you do the noise? Unity? Hey. Don't hide things. Here. Wait, it's not noising the top? Wait, what? Is that real? No way. It's not doing that? One sec. That's super odd. Really? Nah, it does not. Oh, I guess it's gotta be the camera. No, Here. Lol. There's this fine line. Huh. That's funny. This game has sick water. It does have sick water, yeah. How do I send you a link? You need to go to YouTube, to Twitch to send me a link. Unity's magic. Good water, yes. Okay, so it applies a what effect? Oh, it's just noise, huh? Wait, is it just multiplying it? Transparent noise? What is it doing here? It takes a noise texture and applies that by doing what? It is additive blending? Yeah. It seems like it does additive blending. Interesting. Wait, does it get brighter? Wait, no, never mind, sorry. It does get a bit brighter, is it? There's got to be another gradient though, 100%. The noise is not affecting this as much. But it does look like additive blending. It's for inspecting rendering. We are inspecting rendering right now. Interesting. So that's how they do the entire frame. Click this link. I see. What's this link here? What do you have? Thomas? What? Is this guy called Thomas? Anyways, okay, we still looked at it. Now you guys know how the frame's drawn, okay? Anyways, we didn't waste our time. That's how you do it, okay, chat? So now you can make it yourself. Good game. W game. Very good game. Not to all. Oh. I need to lay down after that, bro. That was a lot of information, but not really something that was new entirely. Though still interesting to inspect. Let me actually fix this here. Because yeah. Don't want that to be this. Learning's never a waste of time. True. No, I think this is important, or let's say at least interesting, because we can use this to our advantage. Like, for example, if I want to create some sort of depth, I can use the gray scaling of textures, right? We did do that before already. It's not a spinning condom, bro. This is a spike. Okay, bro? This is a spike that will defend you at night. Soon. Soon. To be honest, AQ, I don't think I could do this in a top... or want to do this in a top-down game, but yeah. You would have to Raymarch it. I don't know why, but I guess I trust you. Anyways. It's time, chat. I'm exhausted. I need to wake up early tomorrow. I need to bring my wife's sister to Flughafen in English. W though. Good stuff today. I'm lazy. So, I know Jackie Coates is online. I will send you over to Jackie. Just using normal Pascal texture would be good enough. We'll see. We'll see. Anyways, guys. W stream. I'll see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow I will add in the character. We need to make the character fit into the environment. This guy doesn't fit. He's nice, but he doesn't fit. It's too fairy tale. They need to be more rough. So we'll be drawing a lot tomorrow and doing some animations, and then hopefully do a cool axe swing animation. That would be nice. That includes rotation. So yeah. Oranges? No. Don't forget a cool shadow below it to give perspective. The character, yeah. We'll figure something out. Anyways, see you tomorrow, chat. Have a nice day. Peace. Tschüss on YouTube too. See you guys tomorrow. Have a